What is digital minimalism? In today's world, we are constantly surrounded by screens. Smartphones, social media, emails, notifications, and endless content compete for our attention every second. We check our phones dozens, sometimes hundreds of times a day, often without even realizing it. But what if using less technology could actually improve our lives? This is where digital minimalism comes in. Digital minimalism is a philosophy that encourages people to use technology more intentionally. Instead of letting apps, platforms, and algorithms decide how we spend our time, digital minimalism asks us to take back control. The core idea is simple. Focus only on digital tools that truly add value to your life and remove everything else. This concept became popular through author and computer science professor Cal Newport. He argues that many modern digital products are designed to be addictive, not beneficial. Likes, endless scrolling, and notifications are carefully engineered to keep users hooked. Over time, this leads to constant distraction, reduced focus, mental fatigue, and even anxiety. Digital minimalism does not mean abandoning technology completely. It's not about deleting every app or living without the internet. Instead, it's about asking one important question. Does this technology support what I deeply value? If the answer is no, then it may not deserve a place in your life. A digital minimalist might limit social media use to specific times, turn off non-essential notifications, or remove apps that encourage mindless scrolling. They may prioritize deep work, meaningful conversations, reading, creativity, and real-world experiences over constant digital stimulation. The benefits can be powerful. People who practice digital minimalism often report improved concentration, better sleep, reduced stress, and a stronger sense of control over their time. By cutting out digital noise, they create more space for thinking, learning, and genuine connection. In a world that constantly demands our attention, digital minimalism offers an alternative path. It reminds us that technology should serve us, not the other way around. By using digital tools with intention and purpose, we can reclaim our focus and live a more meaningful, balanced life.